So I got started in a family-owned business in Germany in the 80s and 70s and 80s, continued with an extensive internship in Switzerland and other laboratories in Germany before I got recruited by a very large dental laboratory in Chicago, in Illinois in 1989. I ended up buying their business in Florida in the 90s and continued to grow the business up to date to be one of the industry leaders in our industry. So we are a full-service dental laboratory, and we do pretty much any cases from single crowns to complex implant restorations. The caseload on a busy day is anything between 75 and 100 cases a day. And our specialty are really rather complex implant-supported cases. And one of our specialties are high aesthetic cases like fixed arches in zirconia for very demanding patients in our Palm Beach area. As an experienced dental technician, we were used to handle all our clinical cases on the analog platform. But then over the last 15 years, we incorporated scanning and digital design in our laboratory facility and slowly incorporated more advanced procedures like the milling aspect or the printing aspect, and had the privilege to work with industry companies like Imagine, who gave us the proper support and the proper guidance to buy the right equipment and find the right solutions. Having the evolution from the analog platform to the digital platform, you still have to incorporate the basic science and the basic principles of dental laboratory work on the dentistry side into your laboratory work. And this becomes quite challenging at times to apply that on the digital platform using computers and digital technology. Imagine is an industry leader providing digital solutions for the dental laboratory. They were our to-go-to destination to get the proper support and the proper advice to buy the right equipment and implement the proper workflows and use the proper platforms to maximize our results. Yeah, there's no doubt that SIC, Invent and Imagine are two industry leaders in implantology and in the dental business. They start to work in synergy together to provide solutions, all-inclusive solutions with a Connect platform where you have an all-inclusive offering. Their vision is providing the future and the solution for all dental laboratories and dentists in the United States. I think it's a win-win situation.